Here's a sheet glazing in a field, and I want to move it elsewhere in this field. Let's start off by picking edge of the selection tools, and from the options bar, choose Select and Mask. We can use the quick selection tool and drag it over the sheep, and as we can see, as we drag it, Photoshop automatically finds the edge as well. More or less will add in the sheep's shadow. It's close, but it's taken in a lot of the glass. We don't want hold Optional out and drag over the unwanted area to remove that from the selection. It's still not perfect. So use the Refined Edge Brush tool, and as we drag this over that shadow, you can see how it moves all the grass outside the shadow. And we can do the same thing around the edge of the sheep. And this refines that selection. Once we've got it as we want, just hit the OK button. Let's make a new layer via copy from the selection, and we'll hide it back on the original. Use the lasso tool to make a rough selection around this sheep, including that shadow. Now hit Shift and Backspace to bring up the fill dialog, and from the contents, pick Content Aware. Click OK, and the area is filled with the background. Let's reveal our sheep layer again, and now we're back to where we started. The difference being that we can now pick up this sheep and put it anywhere we want within this image. And because the shadow moves with it, it looks like it really belongs anywhere we choose to put it. If you've enjoyed the tutorial, please subscribe to this channel. Quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.